So, how can designers and developers work better together? I've seen this question asked countless times online, and I've been asked this question many times by my own friends and colleagues. So, what's the answer? Well, basically, I have no idea. Better yet, I don't even think there is an answer. At least there's no definitive answer that's going to sort out all of your issues and make you and your team better understand and appreciate each other when you walk into the office tomorrow morning. But what I can offer you is a collection of my own thoughts and learnings in this space over my somewhat short career. So first off, you need to really get out of the mindset that designers and developers are different. Sure, they are different, but they're just as different as everyone else you're going to meet and work with throughout your life. I mean, everyone's different. But highlighting and focusing on these differences isn't going to help you, and it's not going to help anyone else. In fact, it will only serve to alienate you from them even further and make your life even more difficult. What you want to do is focus on your similarities. You're likely all motivated, passionate individuals who work within this somewhat complicated and frustrating system, and you likely share very similar goals. You want to make something better. This isn't just a great place to start. It's something that you should constantly come back to and revisit. This fact that you both want to make something better. It's a great thing to constantly remember and remind yourself of. One of the biggest barriers and difficulties I've seen and experienced is a lack of understanding. Now let me be clear, that's not a lack of communication, that is a lack of understanding. We often have different motivations and agendas to push at work and in our personal lives, and we shouldn't shy away from shedding light on them and bringing them to the forefront of discussions. We should talk about our motivations and agendas openly. Hidden agendas benefit no one. What ends up happening is that you end up discussing things in the abstract and you start communicating at different levels from one another. And what happens then is everything gets lost in that translation. Be honest about why you're pushing for something and be open to being challenged on it. Once you can do this, you can start expecting that from your colleagues, but not until you start doing that yourself. You can't just expect someone to do something because you or anyone else told them to do so. That's not how collaborative, open work environments operate. You should question each other and you should have strong opinions, but you should hold on to those strong opinions very loosely. And what I mean by that is that you should take a strong stance, but you should also be open and willing to learn, adapt, grow, and change. Ultimately, the team is the most important thing you should be focusing on, and the thing you should be trying to fix. After all, there's a saying that a product is simply the byproduct of a team. If you have a crappy team, your product's going to be crappy. But if you have a great team, the product's likely to be pretty great. So start there. Start at that team and relationship level. And you really should be looking to kind of build up and prop your team members up in the hopes of really improving the relationship overall. And the end goal for everyone is really to improve that product. So remember that. Everyone shares that same motivation and that same passion as you do. And if they don't, then that's an issue that you need to solve as well. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have anything to share or add to this space, then please do reach out. I'd love to learn more, and I'm sure some of my viewers would also love to learn more, so please do leave a comment. And if you learned something in this video, then please leave a like because it helps me out a lot. Thanks, and I will see you next time.